Hi guys, so sorry I haven't done a video in ages. I think the last one was actually Christmas with Santa's sack. So let's get on with it. I'm gonna make sure I do more. Just have been busy and stuff and work's been a bit of a... So Birds of Prey, I really like the film. I don't know all the criticism, I don't understand. I thought it was really good. Good action scenes. I like Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn. Good characters. Ewan McGregor was amazing in it. And I don't get it. So today, some blind boxes, these Funko minifigures. All of them are actually really cool. I don't think there's a dud character. So I hope I don't get any swaps, but all of them are really good. I really do hope I get the beaver. That sounds rude. It actually is a beaver, not a vagina. Oh, I forgot, I didn't say. This video is not for kids. That's why I just was a bit rude then and can just say what I want, because this is for an adult collectors of geek stuff, not for children. So if you are a kid, stop watching, because I still need comments and likes and stuff. Right, first one. Ooh, ooh, yes. Oh, that's cool. That's a good figure. Can you see that? So, Huntress. I liked her. She wasn't in it much as the other ones. Very good detail. Great facial sculpt, and she's got her crossbow there as well. Liking her. I'll pop her down. Second one. I want Bruce the hyena as well. He's a must-have. But he's like, is he? Oh no, he's 1 in 12. Oh, the beaver's 1 in 36. Oh, actually, I think I've got... Oh, wow, there's one that's flocked. Okay. I think I've got 2 different ones. So there's one box, I think, because I got some from America and some from Forbidden Planet in the UK. Is this, so last year was the year of friggin' Hopper. So is this year the year of Huntress? So, not a great start. So I've got 2 of her. What is she? 1 in 6. I'm hoping no more Huntress. Okay, that's not great. Third one. I'm not sure. I know, good. It's a Harley. Ooh, yay! Roller derby. Harley Quinn. That's good. These are really good detail. You know, sometimes they're a bit... Does the head move? No. Really good detail on these. Like her hair. I like the fact that the helmet is shiny and actually looks like a helmet. Good little detail on the skates. Good little outfit. That's cool. I like that figure. Will it stand up though? Ooh, yeah, see, I wasn't... If you just push her a little bit. I think she might have to be propped against a wall or something, because her head is massive compared to the rest of her, so she might actually fall over. Fourth one, hopefully not another Huntress. I want to get the whole set of these. Oh, ooh, yay. Dinah Lance. It's not Laurel Lance, is it? I get confused. I'm not as DC as I am Marvel. So this is Black Canary. Dinah Lance, not Laurel Lance. I'm sure it's Dinah Lance. I get a bit mixed up because I think they're both... Are they both Black Canary? Someone put something in the comments because I can't quite remember. But no, she's cool. Got good... See, I told you she'd fall over. Great detailing on like the jewellery and the belt and everything. That's really good. They've upped their game on these, I think. That's really good. God, she's even got rings and everything. With a little baseball bat. She's cool. That Harley's just going to keep falling over. Yeah, that Harley will just keep falling over. Last box. Hopefully I've got some detailing in there. I think you can see how good that is. Last one. Right, we haven't done... Bit disappointed. And it's my birthday today. Bit disappointed. Yeah. So, 2 Harleys. Oh, well, at least I can keep the one that stands up better. Right, 2 roller derby Harleys. 2 huntresses. Huntri? No, that's not right. Huntresses. And 1 Dino Lance / Black Canary. I will get more. I really do want Bruce the hyena, and there's a flocked version of him. The beaver, I don't know what his name is. I don't actually think it was called anything. And Black Mask. Although there's 2 of him. I think one's one's only at GameStop, I think that's why. Oh, right, okay. So the ones that are exclusive to GameStop, you get the flocked Bruce and a different Black Mask. So I'll have to get my air steward friend to get me more. I knew it fall over again. I'll have to get my air steward friend to get me some more. So like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't watched Birds of Prey, I recommend it. It's a good film. I think people bash on DC just because they've made colossal mistakes before. Batman vs Superman. And what was the other one? Justice League. Meh. Wonder Woman's great. I love Shazam as well. Joker was really good. And I now think this is really good as well. I think the next Suicide Squad film will be good because you've got James Gunn doing it, who did Guardians of the Galaxy, so he's obviously going to put a cool spin on it, and that will have Harley Quinn in again. So I best get on eBay and get my swaps sold. But thank you, take care. I will be doing another video soon. I will be doing another video soon, and just for a bit of positive. Don't worry, I'm not turning into a therapist or anything, but I heard this today, and because I've had some problems with stuff. Beware the winds of life that nibble away at your sense of self. Stay strong. So that's what a superhero would say to someone. Not that I am one, but anyway, just going off on a tangent there. Like, comment, and subscribe. I've said that already. And yes, I'll be doing more videos soon. And farewell.